What if I told you? You could launch a skincare brand in 30 days without a lab, a degree, or wasting money on shady manufacturers. Let me guess. You've been watching YouTube tutorials, Googling formulations, and still stuck. Courses cost too much, DIY feels risky, and every manufacturer just leaves you on read. It's overwhelming, and honestly, you're not alone. That's exactly why we built AskFormulator.com. I was once in your shoes, excited to start a brand but blocked at every step. So we created a shortcut, a real, tested, step-by-step path to launching your skincare business. Imagine this, your own product with your name on the label, orders rolling in on Instagram, Daraz, or even international stores. And the best part? You didn't waste months figuring it all out. Here's how simple it really is. First, choose your formulation. Serums, scrubs, butters, you name it. Next, download the INSI list, method, and supplier guide. Then, send it to your manufacturer, or make it yourself. After that, package it under your own brand. Finally, sell, launch, repeat. It's plug and play. Zero guesswork. Over 500 people across Pakistan, UAE, UK, and the US have downloaded our formulations. Some now sell their products in salons, some launched online stores. All started with one thing: clarity. Ready to stop overthinking and finally start? Type formula in the comments and I'll DM you the roadmap. Or grab the skincare starter kit. It's free and it's in the bio. And hey, don't forget to follow at Ask Formulator for daily tips to grow your skincare brand.